Hello, this is Carlos Asilis from Glovista Investments with our market outlook for the week of November 16th. This past week, risk markets globally rallied strongly on the back of very encouraging news out of Pfizer concerning the availability of a vaccine with an efficacy rate in excess of 90%. This news came as a very positive surprise to markets as investors were not expecting a vaccine with such a high efficacy rate. As a result of this announcement this past Monday, on Monday itself of last week, cyclical and value sectors recorded their strongest daily return, positive return, relative to the rest of risk markets in decades. And that rotation out of growth stocks into value that we've been discussing in our weekly comments over the last couple of weeks has taken force in a big way. We continue to expect value-oriented sectors and markets to extend the recent return outperformance of growth stocks over the coming weeks. Now, this past week also offered another set of developments where, of course, were not as encouraging. And this included the intensification of the virus infection around the world. But markets took solace in these positive developments out of Pfizer and other pharmaceutical companies that are expected to announce results of their phase 3 test results soon. Now, what do we expect for the week that begins tomorrow, Monday, November 16th? We expect the macroeconomic calendar to be somewhat uneventful. There are a couple of activity releases scheduled to come out of China concerning retail sales, industrial production, fixed asset investment spending. We also expect a set of economic indicators out of the US, retail sales and industrial production. We also expect a set of retailers' earnings releases out of the US. But in general, we don't expect a lot of market-moving releases. We expect the markets to extend their breakouts that were to new year-to-date highs that we saw this past week. We continue to favor equities over fixed income and international emerging markets, as well as healthcare and IT sectors in the US and a number of value stocks. Thank you and have a good week.